It's a new technique, so I usually use for the giving a more aesthetic look and the Hey guys, so welcome back with another video. So today we are going to learn about the auto blend images. Inside of Photoshop there is one features called the auto blend option. So you can see over here, but it's not visible right now, so we'll use this. So first I'll open one images, or maybe image, some stock image you can use. So I'll open this one. Okay, so it's a very quick image. So let's make a duplicate of these images. Okay, I'll create the name, so whatever names you can use, I'll create the main, and let's bring it on one images from the stocks or some free sites. Okay, so this you can see there is a free images pixel.com, so I'll copy it directly, okay, onto Photoshop, paste it here. So it's a really small sizes. First, like, let's make a smart object and let's increase the size a little bit, so little bit this much. Okay, this look fine, but the quality is gone. So I want to put this mountain behind that trees. Okay, so how we will blend this? So first, before going through the blending option, so first understand the smart object and rasterize. Okay, in that smart object auto blending is doesn't work. So if I go, if let's see, select the both layer, go to edit, it doesn't work. Okay, so first we have to make the rasterize layer. Okay, so then select the both layer and go to the edit option, and you will see auto blending layer now is visible. So once we click, it will show this kind of blend method. Okay, and panorama and the stock or whatever calls that stack image, so we'll use this because of it will blend with multiple images. Okay, so seamless and tones all are should be enable and hit OK. So once we hit OK, so it will processing, so it will take little bit time. Okay, done. So you can see the it's blended not that much, but the see there is a created or layers. Okay, so see this is the cutouts. Okay, and even there is some cutout, okay, over here, and also he cut that mountain part, and the see the blended, it's already half of the auto blending tool has been done. Okay, so what we can do, we'll do manually. So select the brush tool on the toolbar and go through it, the smooth already selected. Let's increase the little bit of sizes. Okay, that much is good. Okay, so hit enter and make sure white, black and white is selected, so we can do some selection. See, if you select this, it's erasing. So first let's select this layer, the main layer, and let's erase something, this much. So once you get that, so we will on this layer. Okay, let's make a duplicate of layer, same of the layer, and let's bring it a little bit up more, and we will go through the again blending tools. Okay, it's a new technique, so I usually use for the giving a more aesthetic look and the vibrant look. So see how does work, like see how its result come out. So it's called the auto blending option, but the I usually use for the blending and the retouching the images. Hope you understand, and you understand the auto blending and the smart object and rasterize image. See you on the next video.